In this lecture, you learn a little bit more about the foundations of marine life. Okay, you already had one lecture that focused on life in the oceans. You learned about phytoplankton and zooplankton and bacteria and food web controls, okay, and marine food webs and stuff like this. Today, you learn a little bit more. Okay, so what you will learn today is, indeed, we have to start again with the euphotic zone. You should already know what that is. Okay, if I say euphotic zone, yay, you know what it is. Okay. I just want to introduce you to something we call the compensation dips. Okay, and the process known as respiration. Anyway, then we go into the details of nitrogen and phosphorus cycles. Yeah, you learn about silica, iron, and aragonite. And then we talk a little bit about the vertical distributions of dissolved nutrients, and also we talk about oxygen distributions and oxygen minimum zones. And why we talk about oxygen is because there's a link between plankton blooms, nutrients, plankton blooms, and so-called dead zones. Okay, so it's important to learn about oxygen as well. Then we talk about the geographical variations in primary production, so where is actually life formed, and then a list of processes that actually induce plankton blooms. Okay, coastal upwelling, vertical mixing. Okay, and then I introduce you to the spring bloom in the North Atlantic. Okay, and we'll also talk a little bit about eutrophication in shelf seas. Okay, let's get going.